Today we'll be checking out our new plugin, and that's the Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace booking reservation QR code that basically helps the marketplace admin as well as the marketplace vendors to generate the QR codes for the event booking products that they have created under their own account panel. And kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Webkul's marketplace advanced booking and reservation plugin for the Magento 2 platform-based web stores. And whenever the order status is complete, the QR code would be visible to the sellers and the admin as well as the customers under their own respective sections. And apart from that, this particular plugin helps the vendors to authenticate the customers at the time of event, wherein they'll be able to scan the particular QR code to check the validity of that particular booking product. Now, before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. Right now you can see that I've already logged into my customer account, and I've basically placed one order for the booking product. You can see that I've generated the invoice, and under the ticket tab we have the details of the booking product along with the QR code, and this QR code can be scanned by the agent at the event itself for the validation of the customer there. Now I'll show you the workflow, how everything works, and then we'll be seeing how the marketplace vendor or the vendors will be able to manage the complete booking product order that has been placed by the customers. Let's hop onto the front end, and let me search for this event product once again. Let me reorder the same. Let me tap here on the reorder button. So I've just navigated to the booking product itself. I'm on the booking product right now, as you can see. So it's the event, and here's the range of the tickets there. Here we have the complete venue details, and the actual location of the venue on the map can also be checked by the customers. So right now in today's video we won't be going through these options that you can see, but we're going to show you how the QR code gets generated and how that can be made use for the validation by the customers at the time of the whenever the customers are visiting that particular event place. Let's add the particular product. So I'll just add one ticket from the event performance here. I'll just tap here on the buy ticket button. So it's in the cart. Here we have the details of the same, and now I'll just proceed further to complete the order, and thereafter we'll be seeing how the vendors would be able to generate the invoice and how that particular QR codes get generated for the vendor as well as for the marketplace customers. So here I'll just tap here on the place order button after choosing my payment method, and then we'll be placing the order. So as soon as the order has been placed, we'll be checking the order history for the same order that we have just placed. So the order has been placed, the order number is 22, and here you can see that the customer can find the details of the items ordered or the details of the booking product itself. So it's the event tickets. Event is from 23rd till 25th of June 2021. The name of the seller, the grand total, and the rest of the details as well. So right now we only have the items ordered. So now whenever the amount according to the payment method chosen, if it's an online payment method, that automatically the QR code gets generated, and because the invoice automatically gets generated in that case. But if a customer is making use of cash on delivery or maybe check and money order, so at the time of realization of that particular amount, the marketplace vendor would navigate to his account section. So here you can see that I have the marketplace dashboard itself. So I'll just navigate to the order history section, and here's an order that we just placed. That's for the order number 22. It's in the state of pending right now. So I'll just tap here in the view order button, and that brings in the complete details of this booking that we have made, or the booking that was made by the customer himself. And here the vendor can generate the invoice, and as soon as the invoice is generated, that means that you are confirming that you have collected the amount from the buyer for this particular order. So generating the invoice generates the QR code. So right now if I scroll down, we don't have any QR code or any other tab here. So first of all, let me tap here on the invoice button. Let's generate the invoice. And I've already shown you that after placing the order by the customer under his own order history, there was no QR code available there. But now after the vendor generates the invoice for his particular or his respective booking order, at that very moment you can see that the invoice has been generated and the ticket tab is also here. So a mail is also sent out successfully to the customer whenever the invoice is generated. So if the invoice is generated by using an online payment method, so then at that very moment a mail is also received by the customer. Now in the case if we are going for the offline method, then in that case you'll see that after the manual generation of the invoice, mails would be sent out to the customers there. Now if I scroll down, you can see that we have the invoices and ticket. Let me go to the ticket. So this is the section that is checked by the vendor himself. Here we have the order number 22. As you can see, the order number 22 is valid with a green box that you can see here, the event details, and here's the QR code that can be used by the vendor as well. And the same QR code that would then be visible to the customers that can then be shown to the agents at the event location, so as to check the booking and the validity of the same. Now here we have a print ticket option. So tapping that up brings up this particular section wherein the vendor can print the booking details. So here you can see that we have the complete details. So from here we can choose our destination and we can print this out as required. Now we also have this option wherein we'll be able to download the PDF format of the ticket. So if I tap here in the download PDF, you can see a file has downloaded. And if I go to the details of the ticket, here we'll be able to see the same complete details along with the QR code as well. So here's the ticket details, here's the QR code, and that's the order number at the very top. So this can also be printed out by the customers, otherwise they'll get a mail for the same. They can download the details from there as well. Now let me close it out, and this was the vendor's end. Now let's go to the my order section of the customer. Here's our order number 22. It's complete right now. So the invoice must be generated for the QR code to be set up. Otherwise the QR code would not be visible. And here you can see that I'm under my orders for the customer here, and if I go to the ticket section, I have the details of the ticket along with the QR code itself. And from here the customer can print the ticket, download the PDF, or email the ticket back to himself on his registered email address. Now, these options are the same that the vendors also get. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see the rest of the configurations there, how the admin can do the same. So for this one, we are done here. So I'll just go to the backend here. Let me refresh the page once. So after the successful installation of this Magento to multi-vendor marketplace booking reservation QR code, to set up the QR code, the admin needs to navigate through the marketplace management, and basically from here he'll be able to check his booking orders. He can check the booking products and questions. Now to generate the QR code, if it's the booking product of the admin, then what needs to be done is that the admin can navigate to the catalog and product section. There he'll find the respective booking product that's there. So now on the marketplace management, this is the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace advanced booking system options, and above that we have the add-on for the QR code. So these are the options for the admin. So for example, here we come and we the admin sees any of the booking products that are there, so for which the orders have been placed, and similarly the admin can generate the invoice and would be able to share the QR code with the customer, and the customers would also be receiving the same. So that's just the basic ones, and let me see if we have any initial configuration. So for that, let's navigate through stores and then configuration page, and on the configuration page under the Webkul block we'll find the details if there are any. So here you can see that we have the marketplace advanced booking system. So our QR code is basically an add-on to the same, and the QR code option is exactly here. That's the advanced booking QR code. So to enable this functionality for your booking products, you'll have to choose this option as a yes. You can also upload a logo for the same. Here you can see that the logo would automatically resize to the width that's 148 by 148 pixels by height that's 43 pixels. Thereafter, just tap here on the Save Configuration button. Then the admin can navigate, create the booking products whenever the orders are completed, invoice generated, QR code are sent to the respective customers there. The admin can also download the same as we've shown within the vendor's flow. Now, let me show you the email that the customer receives. So whenever the vendor is generating the invoice, this kind of a order invoice notification is sent out, and this one is the one that is sent out to the customers. Here's the order number 22 along with the details of the event, and here we have the QR code itself. So this is the kind of authentication that the vendors or the agents do at the time or at the place of the event itself. While they've scanned the particular QR code for the booking product, they can see the validity along with the order ID, name, the pricing, the event, number of tickets of the event, and the rest of the data as well. And also kindly note that the status for the tickets would not be changed to used while the scanning of the QR code is done from the admin's end. So only when the scanned thing is or the QR code is being scanned from the customer's end, at that very time the status would change to utilized or the used itself. So that was much about the plugin itself. That's the Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace Advanced Reservation QR code, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com, or you can also contact us for a faster processing of your queries at webkul.com/contacts. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day.